bad haircut does not just look bad. It actively cancels everything else a man has done. The gym, the skincare, the clothes, all of it undermined by the wrong hair. Most men have no idea their haircut is the problem. They just know something is off. This video fixes that. The right cut for the right face. How to find it. How to ask for it. Let us get into it. Why the haircut matters this much. The haircut is the most visible single thing on a man's appearance. It frames the entire face. It signals within seconds whether a man takes care of himself or not. And it is the one change that hits the fastest. One good barber visit does more for how a man looks than months of other work. The problem is most men pick a haircut based on what looks good on someone else. A celebrity, a guy they saw online, without asking the one question that actually matters. Does this suit my face? It is not about what looks good in general. It is about what works for the specific face wearing it. That is the entire game. And once that clicks, every haircut decision becomes simple. Face shapes explained. There are 5 main face shapes. Each one has cuts that work and cuts that actively make it worse. Oval face. The most versatile shape. Slightly longer than it is wide with a gentle curve at the jaw. Almost any haircut works here. The only thing to avoid is excessive length on top that stretches the face further. Round face. Wide as it is long, soft angles, no strong jaw definition. This shape needs height on top to create the illusion of length and structure. Buzz cuts and very short all-around styles expose the roundness and make it worse. Avoid them. A longer top with tighter sides is the go-to. Square face. Strong jawline, wide forehead, similar width from top to bottom. This shape can handle longer styles and textured cuts well. Avoid very tight high fades that expose the full boxy outline. Texture on top softens the shape correctly. Oblong face. Long and narrow with even proportions top to bottom. Needs width at the sides, not height. Volume at the sides balances out the length. Avoid high tops and anything that adds more vertical height that makes a long face look longer. Diamond face. Narrow forehead and jaw with wider cheekbones. The goal is to add some width and presence around the forehead so the face looks more balanced. A textured fringe, side-swept style, or medium-length top works well. Be careful with extremely tight sides and very little volume on top, as they can make the cheekbones appear overly dominant. 2 minutes to figure out which shape applies. Everything else follows from there. How to find the right cut. Reference photos. Not 1, 3 to 5 minimum. Find men with a similar face shape and save what is working on them. Do not save just the haircut. Save the full face in the photo. The cut has to be seen in the context of the face shape wearing it. A style that looks incredible on a square jaw looks completely wrong on a round face. Context is everything. Before the barber visit, pull all the hair back and actually look at the face shape. Forehead width, jaw shape, cheekbone position. 30 seconds of honest observation gives a clear answer on which category the face falls into. Then find references that match. Then go. How to talk to a barber. This is where most men lose. They sit down, the barber asks what they want, and the answer is just a trim or same as last time. They walk out with the same haircut that was not working before and wonder why nothing changed. Walk in with the reference photos pulled up, show them, state the face shape. Say what needs to be avoided. For example, my face is round, so I want height on top and I do not want it too short on the sides. Give the barber a direction and a reason, not just an image to copy. A good barber takes this information and improves on it. A bad barber copies the photo regardless of whether it suits the face in front of him. The information given up front very quickly reveals which type is holding the scissors. Speak up during the cut. If something is going in the wrong direction, say it immediately. The time to fix a haircut is while it is happening, not while walking out the door regretting it. Maintenance. A haircut starts losing its shape within 2 weeks. By week 4, it is noticeably declining. By week 6, the clean, structured look is gone entirely. Men who consistently look put together go to the barber every 3 to 4 weeks. Not because they are obsessed with their appearance, because they understand that maintenance is half the result. The cut itself is only the starting point. Between visits, the right products keep everything looking intentional. Sea salt spray applied to slightly damp hair creates natural texture and movement without weight or grease. A small amount of clay or matte paste worked through on top adds hold and definition. This combination creates the textured, natural look that works across most haircut styles right now. Not stiff, not shiny, just controlled and deliberate. A blow dryer on medium heat while lifting the roots adds volume that product alone cannot create. 2 minutes. The difference in how the hair sits is immediately visible and worth the extra time. Beard and brows. The cut on top is one part of the picture. What is happening on the rest of the face matters just as much. Beard. Clean shaven or well maintained. There is no middle ground that works. A beard that has not been shaped to the jawline and trimmed consistently makes a man look unkempt regardless of everything else going on. If the time and consistency to maintain it properly is not there, shave it. A clean shave beats a neglected beard every time without exception. For men who are maintaining a beard, the shape needs to suit the face shape. Round faces benefit from a beard kept shorter on the sides and slightly longer at the chin to add length. Square faces can handle a fuller beard. Oblong faces should keep the beard shorter overall to avoid adding more length to a face that already has enough. Eyebrows. This is the most overlooked 2-minute grooming habit that makes an immediate visible difference. Clean the unibrow. Remove the stray hairs below the natural brow line. Trim anything that grows long and sticks out above it. That is all. It opens the entire eye area and makes the face look more defined. Men who do this for the first time almost always notice an immediate difference in how the face reads. These are finishing details. And finishing details are what separate men who look decent from men who look genuinely sharp. The right haircut for the right face does not require luck or great genetics. It requires 30 seconds to identify the face shape, 5 minutes to find the right references, and 1 prepared barber visit. That is the whole formula. Next video is the one most men completely overlook: how to look sharp every day without caring about fashion at all. The style rules that apply regardless of budget, trend, or personal taste. Do not miss it.